When your tomatoes reach about 18 inches, it is time to start trellising. You will need a roll of twine and scissors. Begin the trellising process by securely attaching twine to one pole at the height of the bed's edge above the silver bracket. Make sure the twine is secure and run it horizontally across the length of the bed, alternating the twine in front of one tomato, behind the second, in front of the third, and so on. Tie the running end to the opposite pole, securing it with a double knot. Your trellis rung should be tight enough to gently support your tomatoes, but should not cut into your tomato plants. For your second rung, attach twine to the pole at the same height as the first rung. Similar to the pattern you followed for the first rung, alternate the twine behind and in front of your tomatoes. This time, where the last rung was in front of the tomato, run the twine behind the tomato and vice versa. This will help with stabilization between tomatoes. Secure to opposite end with double knot. Check the tautness of your trellis rungs by gently plucking like a guitar string. It should vibrate slightly. If loose, resecure and tighten. Continue adding rungs at 3 to 4 inch intervals, alternating each rung in front of one tomato and behind the next, making sure you are on the opposite side to the rung below. Once you secure your trellis rungs, trim any loose ends with your scissors. As your tomatoes grow, you will continue to add more rungs. Use your best judgment for interval spacing. The main goals of the rungs are to keep your plant upright and to help support branches as they become heavier with fruits. Your first 2 to 3 rungs may be spaced closer together, and you may find the intervals between newly added rungs increases as your plant grows larger.